Good morning, second graders. It's Mrs. Hagedorn checking in with another math lesson. As you can see, we are on the Math Playground site again today. So I don't know about the rest of you, but this is starting to becoming one of my more favorite sites to work with. If you followed the link in the lesson plan, it would have brought you directly to this part of the Math Playground site because the very first thing you're going to do on Playground today is watch a math video. If you use the app on your iPads, then you might have to come up here to the words math video and click on that. And then you'll have to scroll down and find the video on place value. It is in the lower part of your screen on the left-hand side. It's the very first video. It's called Place Value. And when you click on it, it kind of looks like a little gentleman, like that's a stick with some types of wings sticking out. And it's called Head Over to the Place Value House and Learn More About the Number System. So this is the screen you should see once you click on that video, and then you know you're in the right video to watch. So once you watch this video on place value that's going to talk about the hundreds place, the tens place, the ones place. Then you're going to watch another video recorded by Ms. McQueen, a second grade teacher at Milton East, about place value and how we've used place value with our proof pictures and also how we've used place value with our secret code cards. Both of these are just meant to be for review for you to get used to doing place value. Today we're going to be playing a game that's going to take a little bit longer to play than the other games we've played, and the directions are a little bit harder. So I'm going to take us to that game right now. Most likely I'm going to run out of time and then have to record a second video finishing playing the game. So just wanted to let you know that. So let's get over to that game that we're going to play once we're done with both videos about place value. So again, we're going to be in second grade and we're going to go over to the math games right now. And second grade. And then we've got to close all our little pop-up videos that like to come up because this is a free site. So they are doing some advertisements that kind of get into our way. Once we're into the math games, you can see second grade math games. We are going to scroll down to the section that says numbers and operation in base 10. So keep on coming down, friends. And now all of a sudden we can see that part with the blue star, numbers and operation in base 10. We are going to, in the very first row, come on over to the fifth game. And this is the game we're going to play right here on our screen. Place value game. It looks kind of like a game board with a spinner and a little penguin. And that's the game we're going to play today. Okay. And this game is called Pop Penguin and the Place Value Race. And that's exactly what it is. We are going to race to the end of this game board, us versus Pop. And the next part on this is going to show us a set of directions. I highly recommend you read them over. I'll kind of give you a brief overview, but the goal of the game is to reach the end of the game before Pop does. And how we're going to play is we'll spin the spinner and we'll move ahead. And as we move ahead, we get coins, and the coins are associated that 1 coin is an easier question, 2 coins is a harder question, and 3 coins is the hardest question. And what I've noticed so far in playing the game already, 1 coin usually has something to do with 2-digit, 2 coins has to do with 3-digit, and 3 coins has to do with 4-digit numbers. So just to give you that idea, something that's going to come up is Pop may land on one of these dollar signs, and we can choose to move him back so that we can keep winning, and that will cost us coins. So we kind of want to be careful. We want to collect coins, but we can also spend coins to help us make sure we win the game. And there's also another part called an infinity loop. So far in my playing, I haven't made it through there, but once we get to that infinity loop, Pop is not allowed to go in there. I'm just about out of time with this video, so I will pick up with our next video on being done with the directions and then moving on to start the game.